I can't believe how close we are.
We're literally like on top of it.
Hold.
All right, Inspirato trip to Costa Rica, day 1. We're off to a good start. We had an adventure today.
Yeah, we went on an amazing boat ride.
Gio was our guide.
Giovanni.
He picked us up at the house and then took us to Philadelphia with an F, not a PH, and showed us all these iguanas.
Different from the rest of the body.
Oh yeah.
He doesn't have the same pattern.
Colt wanted to see iguanas because he loves lizards so much, and I don't think you could get a better iguana experience than what we had. That was over the top.
They were like flocking down from the trees.
Like literally a dozen huge iguanas, just walking right up to us.
Yes, I loved the bright orange one. We learned the difference between howler monkeys, which we have right outside of our house here, and the white-faced monkeys. The howler monkeys are
annoying. Well, we don't know, but they woke me up a few times.
Yeah, they're annoying, but they mostly stay away from humans. And the white-faced monkeys, they love people. They come close to us, and they even
jumped onto our boat.
They even jumped onto our boat.
And so friendly.
So first day in Costa Rica, and we're already off on an adventure. We're gonna take a boat ride through the rainforest, the Palos Verdes.
See the boat?
Here's the boat. We're gonna take it. We're gonna look for crocodiles and monkeys and bats. And
snakes. Might as well look for everything.
All kinds of birds, and we'll see what we'll find. What do you think of that crocodile?
I don't like it.
Do you think he was gonna eat you? They were huge, huge crocodiles.
We got really close to one, not because he was friendly or docile, but because one of his eyes was gone. He was blind in an eye, had it poked out or something, Lord knows what. But so we basically were sneaking up on him on that side. That's what I think anyway. So close.
I love the monkeys. I guess I was
Took us to this little off the beaten path lunch
restaurant.
Yes,
but
it was
Costa Rica style.
So authentic. They were cooking the corn tortillas right there on the grill on an open fire, and The chicken was delicious. Brooklyn couldn't get enough of the steak. She kept asking for more and ate it all. And Colt loved it all too. Reagan loved it all.
We all loved it all.
Rice and beans, we all loved it all.
Yeah.
It was delicious. But I love that it was so authentic. That was the experience we were really looking for. When the trip was over, the kids couldn't wait to come home and get in the pool, but I was super excited to find we had a snack waiting for us. We're off to a good start. First day in Costa Rica, down, and it was awesome.